Saseni, where? What's I'm enjoying. Mkwaje, how are you? Unataka mimi siku hizi nafikanga ofisi. Wallahi I needed a place to be going. Like mkona boeka sana. Already I have, this is the first week. I have 7 students. Now Zoom. Tumefika saa ngapi? 7. Endelea kushuka. Nani ameniandikia? Namsema DM ananiambia hey, you probably don't remember me. Naitwa Eric, one of your cousins. Tulikuwa tunashindana quiz ile enzi before aku sijui ni nani anajitalikia kazini yangu. Anja nijue ni kazini gani huyo. Amenitext na phone ya job hata si yangu main. Kazini zangu wako na hii yenye nafanya nayo live. I have 2 numbers. I have my main number yenye only my students ama someone in Forex who is close to me anayo. And then I have this public number. Yana kwa nimepewa watu 0790 naitangwa 0790 nini 98. That is a public number. I usually give it. My other personal number in spare nangi is your family. Shanga, how comes my own cousin anani text. Naona ananiambia probably simjui basi yani kweli. Tumefika watu wangapi? Niambieni hiyo live venye nasonga juu hata sielewi. How many people are we? Can you even hear me? Do everything nimenyamaza. Mnanisikia? Wacha nione kama nitaona hiyo. Niko na watu wangapi? Juu yangu inanionyesha niko na wasi 7. Awimo because I need to start. I have a class at 9. And by the way, niletea from Four Rivers. I'm dealing with 2 parents wameniletea watoto wamemaliza form 4. I don't think hata kawa kona idea hata the first place. But they are 18, eh? Nimeletewa from Four Rivers na wazazi nifunze. And that is very good. Those are people ni wazuri kufunza. By the time wanafika 22 years, they will be doing well financially. We are 12 people, 18. Mine is stuck at 7. So I'm wondering why my internet inafanya hivyo. So yesterday we said something, we are 20, good. Tufike 30, I start. I don't like starting I like starting with a quite a bigger number. Usiku nyenye nasemanga tufike 70, tufike 30, 40, and then we start. Yesterday I gave a warning about Euro USD. Now everything I post on my page, skwangi nimechizi. I'm not usually a mad person, and everything I usually say on Forex, pay very keen attention to. Pay very keen attention to. I said yesterday, Euro USD, Pound USD won't sell because I still expect Euro USD to buy, Pound to buy, and exactly like today, I wish hata jana niliwaambia tununue. We could be in very good profit. Nimepata Euro USD, it's running up mbio. I'll explain to this to people like 2-year-old. Trump ameweka tariffs. Let me just explain something fundamental to people. I do not like talking fundamental, but this one I will discuss. And I will say why, as much as the market is behaving the way it's behaving, it will still go back to the way it's supposed to behave. Now, Trump aliweka tariffs. Tariffs ni trading. Like today he is supposed to pass ni zetu na China ama ni za nani? I don't remember. Kwanza mostly he has ameweka China tariffs. Mob tariffs ni kumaanisha if you trade with these people, what you're supposed to be taxed the importation ama exportation ya hizo vitu. The government of US tax a certain amount of price ya vitu. So what Trump has done, amekuwa president and then amekuja akaongezea hizi taxations za importations kutoka China, vitu zenye watu wana import kutoka China. It started adding a lot of taxation on them and other countries. Now what has happened with the other countries, zime retaliate maanisha hata wao wameongezea taxes kulingana. Oh, I think maybe nimewekelea laptop. Amniski ama niende madam, it has a lot of ni kwa barabara. I think ni venye I'm not in the house, place yenye inakuanga quiet kabisa. So what other countries have done, wacheni nihame hapa penye nimekaa. What other countries have done, they have added taxes on vitu za US. Kwa sababu nyinyi hakuna venye mtatu add taxes when we are importing things from your country. Tukienda kuimport vitu kwa country yenu, mnatu tax pesa mingi. So hata nyinyi mkituzia vitu, we're gonna give you a lot of taxes. Now what usually happen ni all this inakuanga sasa market war, kwa sababu these people are going to add taxes to their these people are going to add taxes to their exportation things, zenye vitu zenye zinaimportiwa kwa country yao kutoka US. They're gonna add taxes, and the US already has added taxes. And then Trump has this kiburi of that guy has hands up. That guy has attitude. Do you know he is forcing people Trump is forcing people to do this, to lower their wasiongezee taxes on their side, yeye aongezee peke yake. And if they don't do that, he is going to do what? And other countries are like, you, fuck you, and whatever you think you're going to do. But at the end of the day, mi husema hivi, Forex ni technical analysis. I will explain that. Euro USD hasn't fikared. Tuko watu wangapi sasa nianze class sasa? I think we are ready. How many people are we? Mine still shows 7 people. So how many people are we? I think the group is big enough. Tuko watu wangapi? I think nikishika phone, kwa sababu I have less than 30 minutes, kwa sababu I have a class. I've said kuna student wawili hata wa high school wamemaliza high school, instead wazazi wawapeleke computer, wameniletea niwafunze forex. So ni wenyewe nafunza, although nawafunza wakiwa wao privately wanaogopa hawa watu wakubwa. The other group I have, the first group I have has, how many people do I have so that I start? My nini pale juu inaonyeshana 43 code. Na mnipe leo nafanya pairs zote, but I'll show on hope hold card chef nimeuza. Trade yangu nimeona nini card chef yenye nilipeana jana, mimi niliuza na lot ya 8 yangu imefika 10,000 USD. Supposed to pay me around almost 3,000 USD, 30,000 USD. Right now I'm at 10,000 USD profit on card chef. That was a sure trade. That's why niliwekea lot ya 8. That one I was so sure about it. And I told people that is a sure trade. Jana ikasumbua, I was holding, but negative haikuwa kubwa. Then the kind of negative I was holding was around 2,000 USD. Yeah, I was holding a negative of around 2,000 USD, 3,000 USD. That was my negative for card chef. The one I was holding yesterday, ikicheza. Right now asubuhi nikiacha trade zangu, nilikuwa profit ya 10,000 USD. And that trade up to TP, it's supposed to pay me 30,000 USD. That one only. That trade only. I don't need so many trades. My low profit for gold was hit. Hata beta ningechukua ilikuwa imefika 30,000 USD. Me, I do not usually have any problem. Me, I just look for one trade. No wonder you never see me posting get into this trade, we are hunting 10 pips. You're not a hunter there, you are a trader. You're supposed to kingia trade, you're supposed to know enough place planning. That's how comfortable you get when it comes to trading trades. 1 minute, there's something I want to adjust on my laptop. And then account ile ya $5. Remember account ile nilikuwa na trade ya $5, wacha ni update account. Aya nika-trade ikafika hadi I think nili update pale waliniachia $20. Kuniachia $20 nikailea tena hadi 170. Nika withdraw 100 USD. Withdraw 100 USD nikaachwa na hizi zingine. I have traded card chef on that account kakablo. Nitaka deposit tena $50. Si $50, $5 to $50. Although kwa hizo nini ningekulia pesa mob. I wish when the account got up to 300 USD nili withdraw ingi. But siku withdraw wakanirudisha hadi $20. Nikailea tena kutoka $20 within like 2 days. Nikaifikisha hadi 170 nika withdraw 100 USD and then nika overtrade nika overtrade card chef. Wakanitoa and then soko ikashuka juu. Saizi I wish hata siku withdraw hizo extra 100 USD zilikuwa juu. Saizi ningekuwa na nini. So let's start. Oh, this was Tesla. I was explaining to my friend Tesla yesterday. Kidogo, I want to see saki chart yangu iko na nini. I want to wipe it. Kidogo, I wipe my camera up. 46. I think that 30 minutes are enough for me to go through Kenya nafaa kufunza. So, hii ni Euro USD. Nataka kufanya Euro USD very fast. Very, very fast. This is Euro USD on monthly. I think nimefanya hii analysis so many times I'm even tired. So Euro USD monthly, what we are going to do is draw support. This is on monthly candlestick. Natural support on 2016. In 2016 hapa ni penye support yetu ilikuwa. Our market was coming down. Our market was coming down from up, down. We consolidated to this area, and then this. So what did our market have here? We originated from the upper side. Our market consolidated here. And what did our market form? It formed a bearish wedge. A bearish wedge. Rules a bearish wedge inakaa hivi. Let me show you. Bearish wedge inakaanga hivi. Market inatoka side ya juu, inaingia kitu inakaa hivi. Sijui kwa nini internet. At least saizi imerudi. Haya. Turudi juu. Hivyo. And then market ikafanya nini? Ikashuka. This is what we have here. Unaona market ilitoka side ya juu, ika-consolidate hapa, ikatoka, imeform kitu kama hii. Hii ni yenyewe tunaitanga bearish wedge. Sijaichora vizuri, but inakuanga hivi, wedge. Market yetu inakuja kuform wedge. Now, rules za wedge ni ati, market ikitoka side ya juu, you measure wedge hivi. Hivi, ndio distant market itaenda side ya chini. Hivi. Hivi. Ndio distant market itaenda side ya chini. Sawa? Hivyo. Ndio market itaenda side ya chini. Ikienda side ya chini hivyo, hiyo ndio distant. And that is on monthly. Monthly tuko na hii bearish. So soko yetu ilikuwa inafaa ifike hapa monthly, but hatukufika. Market yetu ilifanya nini? This is on monthly. Tuko hivyo. We go on weekly. Weekly yetu inakaa hivyo. I want to draw a line here because sasa kwa weekly sita concentrate na huku, ta concentrate na hapa. Let me remove sanipeleke hii side. Acha kuni distract. Haya, monthly tuko na kitu kama hiyo. Resistant yetu iko hapa. Hatuna resistant hapa. So hakuna venye soko inaweza reverse. As much as nilikuwa naona hivyo. And to my view as a forex trader, on weekly we had a double bottom here down. Sijui kama watu wengi wanajua hivyo. We had a double bottom here. What are the rule of a double bottom? In our market, this one, the market had a double bottom here. Here, this is our bottom, our first bottom. And this is the neckline here. Here, this is the first bottom. This is our second bottom. This is a double bottom. Double bottom yetu ilitoka hapa. Double bottom yetu ilitoka hapa. Nataka kutumia pen. Double bottom yetu ilitoka hapa. Like it originated from here, dropped. Euro USD, that's why I said Euro USD has to come to this level. Let me place it well. I said it's supposed to come up to 20. Press vizuri. It's supposed to come up to this area. 21. I'm shaking. My hands are shaking. 21,121. That is where Euro USD should go to. Kwa nini? Our market had a double bottom. Even in daytime frame utaiona. Hii ni double bottom. Double bottom yetu ilitoka hapa juu. Double bottom yetu ilitoka hapa juu. Hakuna venye hiyo market inaweza reverse ianguke. Lazima ifike hadi hapa. We have to get up to this area. This area for Euro USD. This is the area the market should get up to. And when they get up to there, let me show you something. The market will form an inverted head and shoulder. This is our shoulder. Our first shoulder. This will be the head. This one. This will be the head. It is going to form this pattern. Let me take another screenshot. It's going to form this pattern with let me draw it on top. This is our shoulder, our first shoulder, Euro USD. This is the head. come up to there, because it has to come up to there, right? And then it's gonna form this, another inverted head and shoulder up to there, then the market goes back up. This is what Euro USD will do in long term, an inverted head and shoulder. Or if it never does that, remember we have a bearish. What do we have? We have this one. We have a bearish wedge. Remember this bearish wedge? Tulitoka side ya juu, market yetu ikaingia kwa wedge. Market ikafanya mpaka retest. Still ina indicate hivi. You measure the distance of the wedge. That's the distance you're supposed to drop. It's almost kwenye tunafaa tufike on the bigger one, but hii unafaa ifike hapa. This one still, I'm waiting to see if pair gani Euro USD. I'm waiting to see if Euro USD will form the inverted head and shoulder, or it's gonna reverse around that area. But for the time being, it has to go to the demand area. Demand area yetu ni 1.121. Naweza eka 00. 1.12. I have less than 20 minutes. 1.12. That is the distance tunafaa tuende kwa Euro USD. Euro USD, that is the area tunafaa tufike. Sawa? Which other pair? Pound USD naona kama itarudi juu kuform double top. Kuna place na feel kutafutia gold sell tena. Mimi na nitaonyesha. Gold ili break jana a level na date on flame. Today nimeona ni kama amerudi kufanya retest. I do not know, I'm not so sure if I should be selling gold. And wacha tufanye analysis pamoja na nyinyi ya gold. Now I keep insisting on this. Market move in terms of patterns. You have to learn those patterns na venye zinatumia. You have to, watu wengine nikiacha kupeana trades hapa, account zenyu za Forex zina pro. Hiyo najua. And that's why siachangi kupeana trades. Kwa sababu unajua watu wengine hata wenyewe wanakujanga kuniambia, nikiacha kupeana trades za Forex, account zao zita blow. They can't trade on your own. And I insist, learn how it's done. It's not hard. Learn how it's done. Learn every single day. Learn how it's done. It's not hard. Forex singumu. And I don't know which kind of motivation itawapatia. Sijui. And another thing watu uniuliza, ati do you make money while trading? Nashangaa. Si mimi na pay trades. Na pay trades aje na si trade. Hata saizi hiyo kitu unipata sana. When someone asks me that question, ati do you make money trading? And I'm the one who is giving you trades za kuwekelea. Na zinaenda venye nimesema na si trade. Wow. Okay. That thing usually buffed me out now. So let me continue. We go to gold. Nitaweka hii account pesa. Ndaka deposit pesa. Acha muone. Ona pesa zenye nilibakishiwa. Hizi pesa zenye walinibakishia account history. Nikenyewe haka. But wacha nionyeshe what they did me. They did me dirty. Ona hii imetoa history hiyo nyingine. Nataka history ya before. Hii ni ya after. Nilika withdraw hivyo. Withdraw hivi. And then hizi ni zenyewe zilibakingi wakakula, but nitaka deposit pesa. I will deposit $5. I will deposit $5 today. We start again. Niko na trades za kuanzia hiyo $5. I deposit another $5 leo. I see where tutaenda nayo. And then I'll be trading first in Tanzania na USD. Oh, nafanya nimeshani kenye nafanya pole. Let us join the $5 challenge. What am I getting from that? So I give you the trades. I usually give you the trades. So let's do this. So we are starting with gold. Analysis zozote, I said we start from monthly. The reason why we start from monthly, let me explain it here. Look at me. The reason why I usually start analysis from monthly, because weekly time frame, day time frame, 4 hours time frame, they can't fulfill the wish of monthly time frame. I don't know if you are getting me. If let me just explain it. The weekly day time frame, 4 hours, and the rest of that time frame, they come to fulfill the wish of the monthly. When Kenya monthly imeform, weekly zinakujanga ku obey ama to follow up. I do not know how to explain it, but let me just explain it in a chart. Let me just explain it with a chart. Maybe you people will understand what I mean. So this is gold on monthly time frame. So the first thing we are going to do, we are going to look for support and resistance. Now our market went up, down, up. So our support will be here because our market was going just straight. The place where our market drop was here, so our support will be here. And this was on this is 2015. Our support is here. And the reason why I'm placing that support there is because imetumika hadi hapa. Make it strong. And then waka break side ya juu, still wakaitumia and here. Now, the next one is a resistance. I would love to place my resistance here. I would love to place my resistance here. But I can't place my resistance here. Kwa sababu inakata hizi. And these are 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are 4 tops. So I'll come and place my line here. Hapa juu 1, 2, 3. And then this one. So in Forex, ukiona kitu kama hii, this one, kitu inakaa hivi, the market originated from the lower side, consolidated here. What do we call that one? Our market originated from the lower side and then consolidated here. This one we call poleni. Akinet yangu inasumbua kidogo na iko wifi leo. Bear with me, my internet inasumbua. My wifi inawekwa leo. Even I think vitu za kuwekwa ziko pale. My wifi has been connected today. It's supposed to iwekwe pale kwa sababu my students tumemaliza. Students wangu walikuwa nakaa hapa. Walikuwa najaa hapa. My students walikuwa najaa hapa. Tumemaliza, wanafaa wahamie the other side. Wakihamia the other side ni juu analysis. Nataka kuleta TV kubwa. Hii TV ni bambi. Nataka TV kubwa na TV yenye napata ni around 300k. A bigger one. I want 3 times ya TV ya hii. I want to organize that before the end of the month. Niliambiwa nitoe around 300k. Yes, nataka kuleta TV kubwa kuliko. The reason why my internet inasumbua, natumia simu, my internet inawekwa. I think iko pale, mtaiona imewekwa pale chini. They supposed jana nilitoka mapema, they were supposed to connect. So don't worry, natumia net ya simu, that's why inasumbua. So let's go back to gold. And I'm so sorry for the distraction. So our market ilitoka side ya chini, ikakuja ikaform kitu kama hii. Let me wrap this one. Let me just draw it again. Our market ilitoka side ya chini and then consolidated on something inakaa hivi. Hapa juu, chini, ika break side ya juu, did a retrace and then it's supposed to go. It formed a bullish flag. Now, rules of bullish flag ni hizi. Market ikitoka side ya chini, hii distant. Unaona hii distant? Ninyo inafaa iende side ya juu. Wacha tuone ka gold ilifanya hivyo. Our market originated from the lower side, consolidated on this area. So we're gonna take this one, we measure the bullish flag, si ndio hiyo? And this is monthly, hatujaenda hata weekly ama 4 hours. Aya, hii the bullish flag, unaona hapa hii ienda side ya juu. Ilikuwa market ilikuwa inafaa iende distance side ya juu. Look how accurate hiyo iko. Nataka kuiguzisha, ona. Walienda distant X. And then nataka kuniambia Forex haikwangi imepangwa. Walienda distant X, and the market, when I said this, and the market is done with distant X, it goes back down distant X. When the market is done going up, let me show you. What am I doing? Niko kwa VIP yangu nafanya nini huko? Hata si zoom nataka. When the market was going up, consolidated along this area. When they break on the upper side, you measure distant X. That is the distance the market is supposed to go. They went exactly distant X. When the market is done going distant X, it goes back down. Kwenye distant X ilitoka. This is the reason I'm saying gold is going to sell. Why? That is monthly. Tulimaliza distant X. Tumemesha distant X washamaliza. Let me repeat it again kwa watu maybe doubting Thomas kujeni hapa tumesha tena. I said the market came from the lower side, consolidated on that area. You can see we measure distant X. That is what we call distant X. The same distance we bring it on the upper side. Soko ilienda, si ndio hiyo? Kwani analysis ya Forex ni hard aje? Mnatakanga mwameo nini? Haya, twende weekly. Ona weekly venye ni perfect. This market is supposed to come up back to here. Na itashuka. It's either form a good double top ama iende. Iform kenye itaform. Aya, ikaform hivyo, entry yetu ilikuwa inafaa kukua huko. Our entry was supposed to be here. This is on weekly. I have nothing to draw on weekly. The only thing I can draw on weekly is I take a trend line from the lowest position, which is there, to our second. Our this position to this position to our second position. Hivyo. Kama India sasa hata nimekuwa tu nimesema jana I left a bit early. Okay. I had a meeting. So si utaniwekea? Oh, ni ruta tu ilikuwa imebaki? Uko tu nishakamit. Haya, nimwambia ni nini? Nawekewa wifi. Ninyo na connectiwa pale. Na I'm having a Zoom niko na in a meeting right now. But continue, do your thing. Okay. So we are back. On weekly, I'll just draw a line from here and here. Do you have anywhere to draw else? I don't have anywhere to draw. If I want to draw another one, I can draw from this to here. I connect. This was the last position market imeguzwa. So I connect here. And inakaa hivyo. So gold can have a target here at first. Please, can you start again on gold? Jesus. Sawa? Wacha nianze. Na naifanya haraka. I'm supposed to be going for a class in the next less than 5 minutes. Please. Nafanya gold and then naenda. Na nani? USD GPY. Sasa anachukua details za nini? Account ya? Venye wifi itaitwa? Venye itatoka jina? Sielewi ni details gani hata nichukue. Oh, can she give me like can you give me like less than 5 minutes? I get done here, mkue mmesort, and then we proceed. Juu siwezi acha hapa, and then nini, just like connect to Wi-Fi, and then like in less than 5 minutes or so, I'll be done here. Is that okay? Aye, so asante. Nani huyu? Tony. Mimi sipeanangi stop loss bana. Kwani wewe ni mgeni hapa? Ni either utumie wewe, tumia lot size yenye wewe mwenyewe unajua itakupea pressure. Hata kama ni the lowest lot, acheni kushinda mkiniambia stop. Si watafuti stop loss, mimi sifanyangi hiyo kazi. I don't do that. Even na nimeinsist hapa, fund account vizuri. Mimi najuanga market itaenda. Hata USD itabai na iende juu kabisa. Why should I? Me, I'm usually comfortable even holding a negative for a week. Hiyo kazi sifanyangi. Darling, hiyo kazi ya stop loss walai. Kwa page yangu ingia hivi uone kama utaona mahali stop loss. I've never given a stop loss. I decided to perfect my trade. Entry mbaya. Wacha turudie gold ni venye nimalize ni deal na clients. So, we originate kiasi. Excuse? Mezongea pole. Now, the market originated from the lower side. Tumetoka side ya chini. Ikashuka hivi. This is on monthly. And then ikapanda. This one we're gonna treat it as our support. This one here. Our support. Our market originated from the lower side. Ikakuja ikaiguza, went to the upper side, ikaiguza bado, ikaenda juu, ikaenda chini. Now, I would love to put our resistance here, but I can't. Why? The reason I can't put our resistance here was when I come to this side, I make sense. So, I'll push it up. Hadi wapi? Hapo. We originate from the lower side. Our market consolidated here inside. So it formed a bullish. This is what we were saying. It formed a bullish flag. This one. We originate from the lower side. Our market consolidates inside kitu kama hii. Consolidated inside here. When they break on the upper side, we are supposed to measure the distance X here. That's the distance our market is going on to go on the upper side. So this is gold. We measure distance X. This one. This is the distance the market will go on the upper side. And here it is. Market ilienda distance X on the upper side. When the market is done going distance X, what does it do? It goes back kwenye ilitoka. Hear me and hear me nicely. When the market is done going distant X up, it goes back down, distant X, back down chini. So this is what we have. And what do we have here? These are reversal candlesticks. All of these are reversal candlesticks. Easy. This is a Pinba, Mengafi, Hiv. Now, wachani fanye hivi. I will do the class later. Although I'll do class jioni. Sijui hata saa ngapi. Hapana. Wachani niwekewe wifi. Juu hii kitu inanisumbua. Kutumia hii net inanisumbua and then wanatengeneza, so it will be a bit noisy. Our USD will buy different X side ya juu. Aina cup and handle. It doesn't have a not you. It doesn't have a cup and handle. Not at all. That call doesn't have a cup and handle. Cup and handle, the two positions like a cup. You see, like this is a cup, and then it has a handle. This top, it has to be equal. And what you have on gold, this side iko chini, the first side it's down, this is up. That can't be a cup and handle. Go look exactly how a cup and handle looks like, and then go to monthly for gold, and then check. And then let me finish this live hapa. Just siwezi endelea hapo nikitengeneza wangu wa wifi huko kwa ofisi. Me and my student, we are done doing sumbua. Internet ya simu inanisumbua. Do it but unajua nyinyi mnasahau wingi. I'm booked for Zoom classes. I think you people, for me, I'm usually booked. Me, I trade. I'm 24/7. I started keeping myself as busy as I can. Usiku I usually have Zoom classes. and I kama nitoke gym niingie Zoom classes. There's a guy in the UK Zoom. Niliacha kumfunza asubuhi nikaipeleka jioni kwa sababu mchana saa hizi I'm supposed to be having a class. I told you nimepewa watu wawili, a boy and a girl, niwafunze. I teach them Forex. They are 18 years. Train Forex na wazazi wao hawataki kuwapeleka computer. Wanasema waniletee niwafunze Forex. Ni wenyewe naanzia nao classes. Wenye walikuwa wamejaa hapa wanahamia ile side nyingine kwa sababu I'm already done the first one and a half week. I'm usually done with basics. I train for 2 months. Let me explain kitu kidogo before niende. The reason mimi who train watu for 2 months this is the reason. One week and a half I train basics. Basics ni hizo patterns, candlesticks, what you're supposed to look at, patterns zenye udictate patterns zingine, how patterns inatradiwa. I explain them one by one for 1.5 week. For the last 6 weeks I'll be staying with my students here daily from asubuhi wanakuja around 10, wanaingia 10, wanatoka 1. Hiyo ni pure analysis. Munaketi tunashinda tumeanalyze soko na nyinyi, either volatility na hata wameiva volatility na wameiva forex. So wakiingia hapa today I'm supposed to start with the 6 of them. Ni wenyewe naanza kufunza analysis. That's why I wanted the wifi iko imewekwa by leo asubuhi. Juu wanakuja na laptop sasa tuanzie. It's pure laptop na kufanya analysis. So kutoka hapa mpaka the 2 weeks and the next 1 month I'll be with them training pure analysis. So kuna wenye naanzia na wao basics. Huyo student wangu anafaingia saizi 9. Huyo hao wawili niwafunze basics azichukuangi time mob like already like only for 1 hour or 2 hours and then I'm done. Hao student wengine wakuwa wamefika wenye wanaingia sasa the other side kwa sababu watakuwa nakaa hapa watahamia ile side. I'm supposed to add more seats kwa ile side. I'm supposed to be taking more seats kwa sababu I'm supposed to be receiving more students by next week. Yes, next week I'm supposed to be receiving more students and I really encourage. By the way, mkiniletea watu wako high school nitawape, wamemaliza high school nitawape discount. Napenda kufunza hao watu kwa sababu hawananga vitu mob kwa akili. The reason napenda kufunza wase either wako around 21, 19, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Hiyo age hawananga stress mob. Hawananga vitu mob kwa kichwa zao. And then they're usually so eager to run. And then because they're not paying any bills, they're usually very eager to run. And then they just want to grasp. And they get a lot of things very fast. And most of the time when nimefunza wakiwa your age, including my brother nilianza kumfunza Technichal. Technichal nilimfunza Forex akiwa, I took my brother when he was 18. Alikuwa anataka kwenda kufanya catering. So Technichal wanted to be a chef, although he is a very good chef up to now. And I started nikaanza kufunza my brother when he was 19. My brother made his first million akiwa. My brother made his first million akiwa which age? Alikuwa 21. Was he 21 or 22? Zama my brother makes a lot of money. My brother make money like crazy. Technichal makes money. Right now my brother is 24. Yes, my brother is 24. Nilimfunza akiwa 19. Si mnamlipanga signal. Nilimfunza kama ajui kitu. The same thing mnalipa. He is called Leon. And still I have another student when yana train. He is very doing nicely. Anaitwa aje. The list is endless. Mimi nimefunza watu wengi. But at the end of the day, as much as nafunzanga watu, naambianga watu ni determination yako, si nini. I'll teach you everything. Na mimi nafunzanga na very clean heart. So that's why I even give trades. And I tell people, trade, place in trade. So Forex imenikula pesa mingi mimi. I don't trade gold. tafadhali usijaribu trade gold size, usijaribu, especially size maitaendio live video. Jesus, watu wangu, wacheni niwekewe tu wifi, wacheni niwekewe wifi and then niingie. Which other question napata? Class nilikuwa ni Kipto, mko wapi? Ofisi yangu iko Mapa House, third floor. Ofisi yangu iko Mapa House, third floor. Kuna trade ingine nagojea. I think trade zangu mimi zinaenda poa. Watu wenye wananiuliza, unajua uzuri wangu mimi si day trader. And I usually say this, when traders are making pesa mingi. And I will always say that. Sisi swing trader ni sisi pesa mingi. Sisi hapa. Juu tukiingia trade tuachane nao ni hivyo. Mimi nikiingia card chef, unless I see another entry, that's when I'm going to give. But the rest, so this internet inasumbua. Wacheni niekewe internet. How can I join your classes kindly? Mimi will charge 50,000. Hata saizi na charge cheap. In a few months to come and work with you, but not now. Wacha kwanza ni 50 Gs ni fair. For 50 Gs is very, very fair for anyone. Mwenye anadai, how can I join the class? Ni texting, my number is usually there. Sijui hata nitapost aje. Right now nimemaliza. Nimeonyeshana unataka tukulete student. You can tell us the trading charges you kulete one. Trump size and WhatsApp. I have repeated this one for the longest time. I'm charging 50K. Training inaenda for 2 months. Complete 2 months. A complete 2 months. Na train everything. Basics, analysis, Forex na volatility. Nafunzana ujue kufanya analysis hizo zote mbili. Trump saizi amekuwa Trump. Trump amekuwa Trump nakwambia, but he is playing a very dangerous card. But Forex ikiwa Forex, wataenda tu na take Forex kama Forex. The reason why hanistuagi hata akirudi ni juu market itarudi tu iende follow technical analysis, nothing else itafanya. Itaenda follow na chill student wangu waingie, au wenye naanzia na au class size nianze mapema. Not really. Trump anasaidianga tu. Sijui Taiwan. Trump anasaidianga tu market ifike kwenye inafaa ifike. Saizi venye ameweka tariffs. No wonder nilikuwa nasema sales bado hazijamalizika. And then to me, technical analysis, we are not yet done with the hatujamaliza bado. We are not yet done with buys Euro USD, Pound USD, and even Audi. Audi is supposed to go back up distant X. Ilimaliza distant X, their bearish flag. Supposed to go back up distant X. So New Zealand USD plays the same role as mother currency. New Zealand USD follows Audi USD. Audi USD dictate for these pairs. Audi USD dictate for Audi GPY, New Zealand GPY, New Zealand USD. It dictates for Audi card. It dictates for which other pair does it has so many pairs. Audi Singapore. It dictates for which other pair. And the pair which go opposite direction of Audi USD, there are pairs. Audi USD kienda buy, zinaenda sell. Euro Audi na Pound Audi. If you check right now at Pound Audi and Euro Audi, utapata ziko buy mbaya, zilikuwa buy. For the last Audi USD kianguka, Euro Audi and Pound Audi, they have been buying like crazy. Because they go opposite direction of Audi USD. So when Audi was dropping like crazy, Euro Audi and Pound Audi were buying very fast. Alright? Hiyo namba iko wapi? Namba ya nini? sielewi namba iko wapi. Nileteni students office nikijaza office ndio. But saizi already, when I started my first office, I had my first office, the first office I had only 2 people. Hata hii ni miujiza, niko na almost watu 10. Niko na almost wacha. I can't really complain. Well, the first office I had only 2 people when I started. This office I have almost 10 people. And I'm supposed to be receiving other people next week. Payment in 50 G's. Kuja, talk to me, visit me. Watu wenye wanapitia kunivisit ni sawa. But nakuanga nimetoka ofisi by 2. Before 2. Mimi 1 ikifika before 2 me I'm out. Nakuwa nimetoka. Hiyo masaa nayo na overdo past hapo siwezi kuwa nimekaa ofisi. So we meet baadaye. This is what I mean by ODSD tafanya. ODSD ilianguka distant X na wakamaliza. Supposed to come back up. But siko sure. Hizo vitu sitaki kuziguza mimi. I'm okay holding my card chef. My trade for card chef. I'm okay holding card chef. For now, I like having one trade at a time. I'm okay holding my card chef trade. And then kutoka hapo wacheni niongee na wasi wa wifi ni wenyewe nimaliziwe. Ni wenyewe nikikuja hapa kufanyanga Zoom hizi live video nitakuwa nazifanya asubuhi for 1 hour straight. Nafanya 8, mnanipea pairs. Nikiingia live mnanipea pairs zako zenye mnataka niwaangalilie na waangalilia, then that's it. Madam Forex, please use English. Ala, Omega. Let me leave. I'll try as much as possible, Omega, to be using English. Even I was taken to private school. I don't know why I do not speak good English, but I know small English. I'll be trying to talk in English to explain things. So, for now, I'll hold a card chef as we wait for the market to show us the direction. All ages can join class. Yes, guy. I didn't say hakuna msee join classes zangu. Anyone is the oldest person I've trained Forex was 56 years. Our old mama, she was almost 56 years. She was around 56. Any age can, hakuna age siwezi funza Forex na ishike. What I'm encouraging me, nileteni hawa watoto wadogo. Hakuna employment huku nje. Before they get fed a lot of things in their head, bring me those 18-year-old mafunzo. They are good, but my nini is open to anyone, any age. Right now I have wenye nafunza wako student wenye niko nao, hao wenye niko nao there aku mwenye ako below 30 I think ni mmoja, hao wengine wote wako above 30. Yes, students wenye niko nao saa hizi 6 of 1 it's only one ni wawili, only 2 students when you are below 30. The rest hao wengine they are above 30. They are above 30. Hao wengine watano they are above 30. They are above 30 years wenye nafunza saa hizi. Wenye wako below na wako 28 Nico, there's Nico and there is Uti. Nico is around 20. Nico is around 27, 28 wakiwa na Uti, the same age. The rest akina Mary, Harrison and Petra na huyu mwingine sijani mtaji, I don't kumbuka jina. All of them wako above 30. So any age is welcome to my office. Madam, May I'm 20. May I'm 20-year-old and I know Forex from you. Thank you, ma. Welcome. But sasa I'm really encouraging. Instead mwana muli walipie computer sijui kwa nini works people age wakijoin mbona. I do not ask. You can tell kids I don't ask. You can tell. I think people are misunderstanding me. I said this. I do not ask people age, but me ujua, you can tell someone age. Kwa muangalia. Kuna mse ameniuliza if niko nachukua watu kulingana na age. I'm not. No wonder nilikuwa na mjibu. My student wenye niko nao, they are even above 30 and above. Wenye naanzia kufunza leo, wenye nafunza ni wenyewe wamemaliza form 4 juzi. Ni wenyewe nimeletewa nifunze wawili. Nikasema nileteni watu wamemaliza form 4 juzi ni wa train Forex, nisikose kuwaleta. You people are really misunderstanding me like Kate. I do not ask people age. I do not even care if you are 90. Either age, whichever age you uko, I will still teach you. I do not have any problem. What I'm encouraging so much people ni waniletee watu wadogo. I do not ask people miaka. I'm not concerned na miaka yako. I'm not. I'm just encouraging nilete watu wa young wakuje niwafunze at those age. Hiyo age wanashikanga vitu haraka. Hiyo age wakwangi sote. Student wangu mwenye ana drive Benz KDH na Leon who is driving a Benz right now. Nililetewa Leon akiwa 20 years. Nimfunze. Leon was 20 years ama 21. Leon was around 20 years. Akakataa kusoma Strathmore. Alikuwa Strathmore first year. Akaambia mamake hataki uni. Anataka kufanya Forex. Right now Leon is 23 driving a Benz. So students who are that age, they tend to get things very fast because they do not have a lot of things in our sumbua kwa kichwa. And the reason pia mimi nilishika Forex sana, nilianza kusoma Forex nikiwa 21 years, 22. That is the age. Nilianza kusoma Forex nikiwa 22 years. That's why by the age of 25, I made my first million at 24. I got my first car at 25. Those people tend to get things very fast because they do not have a lot of things in their head zinawasumbua. There is age between 20, the age between 18 hadi 25. Those are very, very good age ya kuanzia kusoma Forex. Na kama utasoma unaweza soma hata past hapo na ushike Forex. Ushikangi Forex kulingana na miaka. Even mse yote yako hata 30 years atashika Forex vizuri. It always depends na mwenye anakufunza. You get someone who is teaching you nicely and what you're supposed to know. They don't make it so hard for you. It become age yoyote unaweza funza. Ni venye tu wazazi wangu ni wazee. Ningekuwa nimefunza budangu Forex kitambo. Venye that guy is old. My dad is turning 60. My dad is turning 60. I lost my first car. I was buying my car and my dad's car, and I want to buy him a car this year. That is the project. That is a car. I'm not upgrading I want to get my dad a car on his 60th birthday. That is this year. Atakumbuya gari. So when I wanted to buy him a car, that's the time nilibuangwa zile pesa kwa sababu I was buying my car and my dad's car. I was buying two cars at the same time. Zikakunyonga maji, long story short. So sikuwa imbaia gari after nime lose hivyo kwa sababu I was getting him a car and mine. So I want to get him a car before the end of this year. Yes, for his 60th birthday, and I turned 60. So I want to get him a car. I'm already organizing on that. Nimeanza kulipa nini bagari. I want to get him a car. Hii mwaka amefikisha miaka 60. So mavitu tu mingi pole tu. You taught me at 19. She doesn't ask. Nimelewa. I think that's it. Wacheni niende before I make this the video kwa mrefu, and then watu wangu wanamaliza. Mmemaliza? So sawa basi. Wacheni niende niongee na wao. My wifi imeinstaliwa. So tutaonana baadaye. You have a lovely day. Easy trades yanguke. Mimi na need trade tu moja. Nishasota hii gari bana. Mimi nasema hata nikiwithdraw cash naweza funga saa hizi it has a profit of 10,000 USD right now. Try hizo ni around 1.3 1.4 million za Kenya trade ya jana. So everything ni mentality. And then watu wa forex msiyekange maisha huku hivi juu, live your own means. You don't have to prove a point to people. Wacha wenyewe waaminiki. Let people believe kile wanataka kuamini. People follow you for their own purposes. Kuna watu wakupendi but watakufollow tu hivyo na hivi.